If you find yourself banned from FuboTV, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why your account was banned. Check your email for any communication from FuboTV that outlines the specific reason for the ban, as this will help you address the issue in your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your username, account email, and any previous correspondence with FuboTV. This information will be crucial when submitting your appeal. Step 3. Contact customer support. Visit the FuboTV website and navigate to the support section. Use the provided contact options such as live chat or email to reach out to customer support. Clearly state your situation and express your desire to appeal the ban. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If instructed, fill out any required forms or provide a written appeal. In your appeal, be concise and polite, explaining why you believe the ban should be lifted and providing any evidence that supports your case. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response from FuboTV. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with customer support to check the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal a ban on FuboTV. Good luck, and hopefully you will regain access to your account soon.